Cody. I'm just going to start off by going to Google, searching HVAC Brighton, Michigan. I notice there's ads that start off first for Google. These ones you have to be verified by Google to be up here, and then they have the other ones down here. These tend to be less spammy, but um, it costs money. HVAC's pretty competitive. Then you notice there's a GMB, and you got the organic ranking. Coming in and checking out this guy who should be your main competitor, I'm guessing. You'll come check out his website. Looks like he doesn't have too much content. He's only got 566 words. Google loves content. More content, the better. So I'd have at least, if you make a website up, put 1,000, if not 1,500 words. But 1,000 should be fine, depending on what your other competitors have. You want to make sure there's keywords organically in there. You want about one keyword every 100 words. You don't want to overstuff keywords either. Google Smart. And then when it comes save images, you see this guy. He just has a carrier logo. You want to make sure you save it with a keyword. So you do, furnace installation, Brighton, Michigan, or whatever keyword that you want to rank for. Then we can go check out Ahrefs. It's a handy tool. There's a 7-day trial that costs $7. After that, it costs quite a bit. So if you want to do this yourself, you'd want to do that trial and then cancel it after before it charges you, because it can be expensive. But it tells you backlinks and referring domains. Those help a lot, as well as the UR and DR. You want to come in here and check out your competitors' backlinks, and you want to find high DR and UR, and you want to make sure it's relevant to your industry, so the HVAC industry. You don't want fast food leaking back to you, because it just doesn't give you any strength, and it's just a waste of a backlink. But you can come in here and you can see the ones you like, and you can click them, see how to get that backlink and get it for yourself. You want to make sure it's a good one before you get it. You don't want to go get the spammy. We come here, check out page 13. You can see these ones are zeros and NA. You don't want those at all. Those are not going to help. You want to make sure you get high ones, as well as ones that are relevant to your industry. Next, you can see the keywords. You can check out what keywords he's ranking for. With the backlinks, referring domains is the big thing. You don't want a whole bunch of if you have 1,000 backlinks from one domain, it's basically just going to count as one good backlink from one, because referring domains is something it's more important than the amount of backlinks you get. They go hand in hand, but you want to make sure you get multiple domains as well as backlinks. But coming in here, seeing what this guy ranks for. Obviously, Lakeside is his name, so these ones don't really mean anything. But there's a plumber. I don't know why he ranks for that, but it's pretty easy. KD of 0, so you could rank for plumbing if you're a plumber. It's not bad. But air conditioning repair, Brighton, Michigan, right there. 20 volume, 0 KD, very easy to rank for. You can just make sure you get that keyword in your content, and roughly 20 people search that a month. But the top guy gets about a third of that. So, if you had that one, you'd probably be getting, I'm trying to do math, about 6 to 7 people a month. But let's see what else down here. Howell, Michigan, furnace repair. That's 15 KD. That's kind of hard to rank for if you're starting out. I'd go after these 0, 1, 2, and 3 KDs. They're going to be, you're going to rank for those a lot faster, a lot easier to rank for. Let's see, heating and cooling, Brighton, Michigan, 50 people search that a month, and only 2 KD. Definitely go for that one. This stuff will change as you go, so depending on when you start your business, you'll want to check this every now and then, and to know what to have your content on your web page, as well as the images saved as. But coming down here, you want to make sure it has a location specific too, because you don't want just nationwide people Uh, you're not gonna. It's not like them clicking on your website's gonna really bring value. They're not gonna buy anything if they're over in some other state. But yeah, you can come in here, you can mess around, you can try to find some cool uh, keywords, ones with lots of volume but low KD. Like here, if you service this area, 40 people search that a month, 0 KD. Another thing also, you'll notice AC Heating and Cooling Service Inc. People are spending $45 a click versus there's not one that looks like that, but sometimes you'll see, just adding an S or something, it can save you, $10-15 a click because people don't, they don't come here and check and see what stuff's going to cost them on Google if they want to do ads. But so if you're going to do ads, definitely come here and check, see what you can get the cheapest in here for. I'll go back to the first page. I'll try to show an example for that. Let's see what looks. Air conditioning, Brighton. So obviously no one's bidding this, so you can get that super cheap. Is there? But this heating and cooling, Howell, Michigan, $13. People are spending on average $13 to get a click for that. Here's yeah, I thought I saw something, but I guess So here, plumbers, Brighton, Michigan, 20 volume, $30. This is just an example, but plumbing, if you did plumbing, Brighton, Michigan, there's 70 volume, as well as it's $10 cheaper. I still won't spend $20 a click for plumbing, but people are doing it. Here, $65 a click there. But anyways, that's just a cool look around. Check this out. Definitely a really good tool, and you can see what keywords you want to rank for. Next thing would be GMB. So it's free to set up. You don't even need a website to set this up. They just send you a postcard, and you just verify. Make sure you fill out 100%. Google loves people that spend time making sure everything is filled out. They play by their rules. This is one of the rules they have. Then for content-wise, with the GMB, it's photos. So add as many photos as you can. It'll just help you rank for the GMB. Next thing is citations. This guy only has 6 citations. Super easy to beat. Citations are just directories out there. You want to make sure your name, and it said that there's no known directories. That's weird. I found 6 of them, but they're not. It's not telling me what they are. But anyways, you can go find a whole bunch of free ones out there, like Yelp, Yellow Pages. All those are they're directories. I believe those ones might cost money, but there's plenty of them that are free out there. There's thousands of directories out there. Facebook would even count as a citation, having that your name be the same as your GMB, as well as the phone number and the location. And yeah, just get a bunch of citations for your GMB. It just takes time, but it's not too hard to do. So yeah, hopefully those tips help you out. Good luck starting up. You can do it. If you want, you can reach out to me anytime. Hope this video helps, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Thanks for watching.